closure slayage. Let's get started. All right, so shout out to Domiso Hair. It is an Amazon hair company. They reached out to me to send over this 20-inch 4x4 closure. It is pre-plucked. It is 180% density. So I'm showing you guys here what I use to bleach the knots. So as you guys can see, I lay the bleach pretty much like butter. Now, at the front of this hairline, it is pre-plucked like I just stated, and the knots are small. However, the knots in the back are double knotted. If you guys have watched any of my other videos before, you guys know that is a pet peeve of mine. So this is the first time of me bleaching the knots. I bleached it for about 45 minutes. It took to the front of the hairline. However, I had to go back in again and set it for about another 45 minutes. And I just laid some foil over it for it to process. And it ended up bleaching a little bit better, but I'm still gonna make it work. So like I stated, it did come pre-plucked. However, I did decide to pluck it a little bit more. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I pluck my hairline of my units, I'll leave that down below. So I decided to press it out, and I had some old braids in. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. The fit of this unit is very comfortable. It does have four combs and an elastic band, and it pressed out so pretty. Oh my gosh, the luster in this hair is so nice. So I'm just gonna do a very easy, quick slay. Now I love my frontals, but it's nothing like an easy closure install. Taking my dryer on cool. This literally is a beginner-friendly unit. The price point on this is about $122, which isn't bad for the density that you're getting of it. So now I'm taking my wax stick so we can get that hump up out of here. And I'm taking my hot comb. When I tell you, this is literally a pop on out of the box and install slay unit. This is what it is. Now, I know we see the white cast, and you guys know I'm an advocate for tinting your lace, but for the sake of the video, I just want to install it so I can show you guys how quick and easy this is. And here are the final results. I give this unit a 2 thumbs up. I'll leave all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.